Hi everyone, my name is Molly and I run a small sewing business from home, and today we're going to be looking at making a fancy pants Christmas cape for your pet. So Phoebe, I don't know how long she's going to sit here for you, but we're going to make something like this. So I've attached a resource down below for a cat and a dog costume pattern, but I guess you can make it for a rabbit or any pet. You could go. So what I'm going to show you now is just where you could measure on your pet. So let me just take this off for 1 minute. What I want you to do is measure around the circumference of their neck, measure from their neck along their back just to determine how long you want the cape to be, and you're going to measure from the front of the neck down just to determine how long you want it to sit in the front. Obviously not too long because they'll trip over it. And then you're just going to measure from your desired length here around the front. So grab a tape measure and you're going to measure around the front here all the way to the front of the dog, just so you know how long the curve is going to be in the front here and how long you want it to swoop down. So you want there to be so it's going to be a kind of a circular shape. But what you want to do is just make sure it's not too tight running along their arms, because then she's not going to be able to move in it. In my video, it's so annoying, but I thought I filmed, but I missed out the section where I've sewn on the pom-poms, but hopefully it's, peeps, hopefully you'll get it. It's quite simple. So all I did was I've sewn the hem of this, and then I've just sewn the pom-poms on top of that too. Does that smell nice, baby girl? And the same with this. So with the fur around the collar, I've just sewn it around the top here. You want to put it back on? Oh, good girl. Okay. And you can choose whatever design you like, basically. So I've been told this looks like a superhero cape, which is totally fine. It's kind of, you know, an alternative festive costume. Let me just turn you around, honey bunny. You gonna sit for me? Yeah, an alternative festive costume. Good girl, honey. Yeah, so check out the video. Got any issues, leave some comments in the description below and I'll try and get back to you as soon as possible, or I will get back to you as soon as possible. Any suggestions for improvements, let me know. What I would say about this is with a normal dog jacket, normally you'd have a Velcro band that runs underneath. So I think if I did this again, or if I adapted this, I would sew a ribbon inside here and then I would Velcro it around the center of the dog just so that it doesn't twist. But I'm not sure if that's a problem on a cat, because I don't have a cat, but I do have friends who are crazy cat ladies, so I should probably ask them. So maybe I will, and I'll pop it in the comments below just to let you know. But yeah, so enjoy the video. Hopefully it won't be too hard for you, and have a Merry Christmas from me and Phoebe girl. See ya!